Now, you don't have to go rambling and get lost in the train of thought when making your videos anymore. This right here helps you master and level up your video production workflow. Watch this video to learn more about the behind the scenes and tricks to looking professional when making your videos. Let's go! So today friends, I want to introduce you to the Moman MT2 Teleprompter. Now, what's it for exactly? How do you set it up? And what are the benefits of actually owning one? I'll talk about it all in this video, but first, let's unbox and set it up. Alright, on the box, you get all the basic information you need to know about the Moman MT2 Teleprompter. You can see the image of what it really looks like from the outside. And turning it around, you see some of the basic support you can get with it, and then some more information about the device just at the back of it. Now let's actually go ahead and open up the box right now. It's lightweight, I must say. So let's get the box open. Right inside you can see the teleprompter plastic, I call it, with the tempered glass that comes with it. It is proven to be a really strong one, so you can definitely trust it to not fall away when it drops. And then the glass hanger that comes on that, and then that is the lens adapter ring that you find right there, and then that is the tripod base for hanging your phones and cameras and whatnot. Really handy and strong, I say. And in that bag there's a lot of goodies, but I'll come to that later on. And then we have the user manual that contains instruction on how to set the Moman MT2 teleprompter up. And it to keep. And then we also got, this is the most interesting bit for me in the packaging, that is the remote controller for the Moman MT2 teleprompter. That's the one you pair with your iPhones, iPads and Android devices. So let's open that up and see what comes right in there. So it's handy one, not easy to lose. So this is AAA batteries, 2 of them, just so you know. And then it has those joystick sort of controller that looks more like a gamepad if you're into gaming and all that, you know. So let's get that stored away. And now let's open up the goodie bag. So in the bag there's a lot of other accessories that you get with the Moman MT2 teleprompter. First is the tablet / phone mount that you hook up to the teleprompter. Next up is another phone mount. And then you got the phone lens adapters for different kind of cameras, your iPhones, your iPads, your Samsungs, your Oppos, your Huawei's. It's just got lots of it that you can adapt to your phone and hook it up so there's not light coming into your camera when you mount it at the back of the teleprompter. And then we've got a cleaning swab, and then loads of lens ring adapters for snapping it on the back of the teleprompter so it just stays right there with you. That's a lot, I must say. And that's basically all that comes on the box. So let's actually go ahead and set this up and see what that actually really feels like. Cutting that in now. And then you just wait a little bit. And once it's snapped in place, it's just good to go. And boom, that's it. And next up, we try to mount our camera up to it. But before that, we mount the tablet stand-ish, or whatever name you want to call it. So that goes just in front of the teleprompter, below it. And find one of the screws to actually pin it to the back so it doesn't fall away with your devices snapped onto it. Just right there. Go over to the back. And you screw it in. And it's ready to go. Basically, that's it. Now let's get our camera set up on this now. Let me just show you a little bit about the tripod that comes in the box. It's got this Furnish Adapter where you can actually get your phone mounted with it, which is really good if you're a vlogger. So that's just another bonus. So I'm gonna use one of my light stands as a tripod-ish because the other camera is on the main tripod, of course. So I'm just gonna screw that on top of it. Don't mind my clumsiness. And basically that is how it's gonna sort of look like on your tripod when you stand it, because it's a lightweight teleprompter. It wouldn't, fall your camera over or trip your main tripod over. And because my tablet is a little bit heavy, that is why I have to use this one. So it really stands good with your camera right there at the back looking straight into your eyes. Next up, I just put in my tablet and then it snaps on. The next thing I need to do is just get the app with the remote controller and I'll be good to go. Finally. Once it's ready, I just snap my iPhone on and use the remote controller to control the pace I want to go with the teleprompting app, and then I do all the nice things I want to do, and then I start looking pro and nice on all of my videos. So that's it. That's how it looks like standing on my main tripod in my studio, which is really nice and sturdy looking and pro looking for me. And the reason I got this much gear is because I do lots of pro level videos. I hope you like it. Thanks to the team at Moman Global for sending this over. The link to purchase will be in the video description below and as a pinned comment, so be sure to check it out. Now let's talk about the tech and specs of this Moman T2 teleprompter right here. The device mount supports up to 10-inch devices with a nice one for mobile phones also, which is below here, but I just prefer using it with my tablet, okay? And this can easily also hold your phones for the teleprompter. And in my case, I just use my tablet as I mentioned. The remote controller is Bluetooth enabled and is used with the companion app available for iOS and Android devices, which includes your iPads, your Samsungs and all that. It also got loads of lens adapters and rings for various lenses and even your phone cameras. Yes, that phone camera right there. Okay, so on top of the teleprompter, you get two cold shoe mounts, which is good for mounting your ring lights, microphones and shotgun mics and all that. Now, you might want to ask me, why should you get one of these teleprompter devices? Why should you get your hands on the Moman MT2 Teleprompter? That's a very good question. Traditional teleprompters are very expensive and we'll need some special expertise to use. You need to know how to set up stuff, you need to buy some extra gadgets and all that. But this comes in under £100, which is literally very cheap. So it costs way less than you can even imagine. And for someone like me who talks a lot in their videos, just like this one, this is a game changer in getting your thoughts together in front of you as you make eye contact with your viewers. Can you even tell that I'm reading something off the teleprompter right now? I don't think you can. It also helps you become more professional in mastering your content creation and sounds like you really got your head on the game. Now, I can go rambling all around and come back and still get into my train of thought inside my script. Now, you might want to ask me, who should get this? That's a very good question also. Content creators looking to level up their content creation processes, look smart, just like me, and keep eye contact while going through lots of text items and not break the bank would definitely love to get their hands on this teleprompter because, as I mentioned earlier on, it's very affordable and it doesn't break the bank and it's also very portable. Now, you might want to ask me also, what are my first impressions of using this teleprompter device? I've had it for, when recording this video, for about less than a week or so, and the man asked me, you've used it for just very little time, why do you like it so much? Well, the first thing I love about it is that it's very compact. You can see the size right here. It's pretty nice and portable, and also the accessories that come with it is a lot, so I can mount this on literally any lens. I have about 2 professional cameras that I use for this. I have my Canon M50 Mark II and my EOS 1300D, so I can mount the teleprompter on any of these ones and I'm pretty much good to go. And also I can mount this with my phone, so if I want to record with my phones, I can literally do that also, which is a very good one. And I've taken this on the road trip over the weekend and I used it to record 4 videos of my wife for our YouTube channel before I'm actually recording this unboxing video right now. So I'm really telling you about what I've used and I really love it, I must say. Now, Moman is not paying me to say good things about this teleprompter, but I can say I am liking it, okay? Now, you might want to ask me, so how do you score this on a level? So, on a scale of 1 to 5, where 5 is super, super, and 1 is packaging, it's a 5/5. Portability, it's 5/5. Accessories, that's a lot, that's 5/5. And ease of setting up, I'll probably give it a 4/5 there, because the Android app still needs a little bit of work, and it was not very easy for me to set up at the first go. Well, it will also be nice to have it in the Play Store instead of having to go download an APK file. For people who don't want to download APK files and just download from the App Store, it also sort of verifies the app. But that aside, it's a very good one and easy to set up on my iPhone, which is really literally good. Now, usability is also 5/5 because I can literally mount this on any device. So I'm mounting this on my professional tripod and all that. I can literally also use the tripod that came with the kits,
when I'm on the go and vlogging, you know, having fun, vacations here and there. I can actually do that also. So friends, that's it for the day. Thanks for watching this far. If you've gotten any value from this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so yet, especially if you're new, so you don't miss videos just like this one. And also you help others discover videos just like this. So I'll be seeing you in another video. Cheers and happy video production. Goodbye.